Do you know what makes these funnier?
What?
When you watch a bunch of scenes that are not really trying to be funny, but they're just automatically funny because of the
naturally funny.
Naturally funny. Not the ones making actual jokes. Like this shit. The last one we saw.
Oh my god. Yo, and that one, that was a bunch of movies where they weren't trying to be comedy. They weren't trying to be funny.
It was serious.
Like it was dead serious, and it was just unintentionally hilarious. You just watch it, and you're like, yo, this shit is fucking crazy. This is called The Impossible Trying to Laugh Funny Animal Compilation. So, you picked this joint?
No, I didn't. She did. Jordy. Baby girl. Muted Mouse?
Muted Mouse?
That's her new name.
Who the fuck is Muted Mouse? I would never have somebody roll with me called Muted Mouse. That's the code name for the invisible motherfucker? Muted Mouse?
Honestly, she isn't invisible. Really rude. Violent as shit.
Oh, yeah? So she got random personality traits now.
No, look, she's been like that for years.
Rude?
Rude as fuck.
Muted Mouse.
Muted Mouse.
All right, Muted Mouse. So, since you picked this, it better be funny. It better be fucking funny. Funny animal, impossible, funny animal compilation. Try to laugh. All right. So, shout out to you for picking this shit. So, you think you're going to laugh during this joint?
Hell yeah. Anytime Invisible Ivy picks some shit, I'll start laughing.
Invisible Ivy. Mm-hmm. This is a try to laugh challenge, so at least try.
Nobody else can see
to not laugh. Try. Do you think you can do it? This is 2021. It's a whole new year. New year, new you, right?
Look, if it has
can you do it?
If it has animals involved, I'm sorry, bro.
Fuck it. I can do it.
Ooh.
I can do it. Banana pudding popcorn.
Oh.
The fuck is that?
Oh,
we gotta find a new house, yo.
I know.
Because they wilding out with these snacks. I think they know that we come here, so they start putting out nasty shit.
I know.
Nothing! 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 You just don't turn it off! Nothing! 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 Nothing is over! Nothing! Nothing! You just don't turn it off! Nothing!
All right.
Ain't that right, Silent Sarah?
Impossible, try to laugh, funny animal compilation. Let's try. Let's get it. Let's get it. I can do it. I can do it. We can do it.
Do this. Nothing's funny. Nothing's funny.
Nothing is motherfucking funny.
Nothing's funny. Think about seasoned turds.
That's fucking disgusting.
See? It ain't funny?
That definitely ain't funny.
Aww.
Damn.
What thing?
He recovered.
Took that shit.
You see, he got that straight face too.
Fuck. Ariel. Oh.
What the fuck?
It's fucking animals. Fucking animals.
Wow. Damn. Fucked up. Got the same face too.
Damn.
Damn.
Oh shit.
That's creepy as fuck.
I can't watch this shit, yo.
Cause you had a bad day. Sing a sad song, just sing off. Oh, I think he's some of him. Oh, my. The girlfriend sugar. Okay, now.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Okay, ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click.
They're about to fuck somebody up.
Right.
Can we just talk?
I can't watch these animal things, dog.
Damn. I'd be scared as fuck, but I wouldn't do that. Hey. If my cat ever walked up to me like that,
Right, I'm out. I'm the fuck going, yo. Oh, come on,
I used to do that shit all the time. Damn.
Oh, shit. It's like, oh. Ew.
What is that? It will fuck you up. They look gangster as fuck.
I want a pig so bad. Cute.
It's actually adorable. I remember this.
Oh, shit.
That almost got me. That almost got me. Don't remix him like that.
Ooh, that's scary as fuck. All that happened to me on the boat.
It did?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Hey. Damn. Damn.
What the fuck? And it kept going.
I heard this song in a minute.
That nigga said, I'm gonna get mine.
What you want me to do with this? Eat it?
Happy birthday to the ground.
If you ever see that shit in your house, dog, that's some spooky looking shit. That was us leaving 2020.
Yeah, for real. What the fuck?
Creepy. Creepy as fuck.
Yeah, that's just like weird. Dog, what you doing?
Turtle mad as fuck. He's like, I can't even get you. Oh, hell no.
You about to fuck somebody up.
When the ears go back like that, that'll be some shredded skin. Don't do that.
Shit.
Don't do that.
You gonna get fucked
There's
up.
blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere.
You gonna get fucked up. They do not like that water. All right.
Beginning killed me. Beginning killed me.
I was able to make it through that whole thing.
Beginning killed me. It's something about animals doing the dumbest animals get me. Because I watch that type of shit all day.
I think that one of the reasons why I didn't laugh at that is because like it got too formulaic with the music, but some of like the MOP one and the DMX one that almost got me, because the MOP thing started. Motherfucker had his hands up like this, like what's up, like full gangster mode.
It was a few joints that just had me in tears. Like it was my type of video. I ain't gonna hold you. Animals.
And it was one where I think a bunch of flamingos when they all look gangster as shit. Like all of them they moving their head and everything. Like they was like, yeah, we about to do this shit. Like, what's up? Where the nigga at?
The Geico that ran off fast and shit.
Yeah.
Oh hell no.
It almost got me a couple times, but I was able to persevere because new year, new me.
New year, new video, nigga. That's all. Oh man.
Yeah, I was able to do it though. It was a good video. It was a good video. All them songs, it's gonna be hell on YouTube though.
Oh my gosh.
Copyright claim city. You got 80 niggas trying to get their money. Like use my song in 5 seconds. Give me that money.
How many views you got?
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Every animal in that joint will get sued.
Yep. Them and us are gonna be in the court in front of the webcam.
So were you involved in this video? Shit. Oh man.
It was alright though. It was okay.
Good one, quiet girl.
It's okay.
Good one, quiet girl.
And cut. I won.
So, I didn't even laugh.
You didn't even laugh at the one you picked?
No, the first time I watched it, it was funny.
Impossible.
I guess I watched it again. Well, I didn't watch the whole thing. I only saw the first 20 seconds, and then I think there was one scene I just cracked up. I was like, oh, that means the rest of it's going to be really good. And I watched the rest of it. I'm like,
I won.
it's not that funny.
Damn, Jamie.
I think next time I have to watch the whole thing, and then if I crack up on the whole thing, then I will challenge you.
I mean, like, I think if you watch the whole thing, though, that's kind of like.
But I'm challenging you guys. I don't have to laugh. But at that same time, I watched it. It wasn't that funny.
I mean, I didn't.
I knew he was gonna die. Nonetheless.
I didn't watch the whole thing, and I still won because you laughed.
That's you. Look, you had. Let's not speak about that.
I win. You speak about that. I won.
Not speaking about that one.
I won. You still laughing at that one. I win. Joe lost both times.
I crashed.
You can't win.
It'll catch me at the slightest point. My cheeks would be hurting. Like, I ain't gonna laugh. I'm gonna go, like this shit. I knew the animal was gonna kill me.
I wish Jamie was in that one where we saw the other animal compilation. She would have laughed at that, definitely.
When the Mohi was fucking shit up?
Yeah.
Which one? The Mohi was...
Yeah.
That shit, yo. He said, let me in this fucking house. I got the shit.
Wait, shots.